guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna do a eyelash tutorial, and this is basically how I put my false lashes on, and stay tuned if you want to learn how I do it. Okay, so the eyelashes that I use are these right here, and these are from the brand Kiss, which look like this. These are super easy. I just used about 3 or 4 at the most, and you can pretty much reuse them if you take care of them. So I use a pair of tweezers, curlers, and some duo eyelash glue, and it looks like this if you buy it at the store. Okay. And that's pretty much it. Oh, you also need a mascara for the lower lash line. So we're gonna start with curling our lashes. You wanna get all the lashes there. Then go on the other side. Okay. And then depending on, it's up to you if you want to, you can put on a coat of mascara, but I just like to just use no mascara to keep them clean and I can reuse them. So if you notice on the eyelashes, there's long, medium, medium, short. I use the long for the outside, then I'll use like medium, 2 mediums in the middle, and then depending on if I like it or not, I'll probably do a short or I'll just leave it at that. But today I will just do what I usually do. So I just grab it and then I put it on my, like, I put them down on where I'm gonna use them at. So there are my corners, here are the middle, and then more of the middle for the outside. Okay, so I use 2 long and 4 mediums, and you still have a bunch left. All right, now you're gonna get your tweezers and you're gonna start to put them on. So I'm gonna grab my outside, and then how I'm gonna do it is, instead of putting it like this, I'm gonna do it like that, because I like to apply them under. I just grab that and I pretty much just put a little, and then now to apply them, I'm gonna go under my lash line, under here, and then I'm gonna put them there. Alrighty, so now I'm just going to poke up and make sure they are secure, and I'm gonna move on. Now I'm gonna just do the same thing. And I am going to add that. You see how it's like on the corner, barely visible? Now I'm gonna add on, and I'm gonna put on to the next. Okay. You can also use the edge of the tweezer to poke up. Now I'm gonna move on to the next. Don't poke your eye like I just did, but I'm pretty much used to it that I didn't really. So you see how that got overlapped? You just want to move it over. Okay. I'm just gonna grab a spoolie. I'm just going to